students, today in this video, in grammar part, we have to see modal auxiliary verbs. Now we see which are modal auxiliary verbs. Can, could, must, may, might, shall, should, will and would. These are modal auxiliary verbs. Can, could, must, may, might, shall, should, will and would. Modal auxiliaries are always used with main verbs and can never be used as a full verb in a sentence. Unlike primary auxiliaries, modal auxiliaries do not change their forms according to the tense of the main verb or the number and the person of the subject. Now we see usage of auxiliary verbs. When we are using auxiliary verbs, modal auxiliaries are used to express permission, ability, suggestion, possibility or necessity. Now we see the examples. We use may to ask for and give permission. May is useful to ask for and give permissions. Examples: may I come in, ma'am? In this sentence, may is useful to ask permission. Yes, you may come in. In this sentence, may is useful to give permission. Now, we use can and could to show ability. We use can and could to show ability. Examples: Rashmi can play the guitar well. In this sentence, can shows the ability of Rashmi to play guitar. He could solve the question paper on his own. In this sentence, could shows ability. Next part, we use should for giving advice or suggestions. We use should for giving advice or suggestions. Examples: we should never tell lies. In this sentence, should, it gives advice. Next example, we use may, might and could to denote possibility. Modal auxiliary may, might and could use to show possibility. Examples. There may be a general meeting tomorrow. In this sentence, may shows possibility. The substitute fielder might play in the next match. In this sentence, might shows possibility. There could be heavy rain There could be heavy rainfall this evening. In this sentence, modal auxiliary could shows possibility. Next examples. We use must to show necessity. To show necessity. Must is used to denote necessity. You must attend the meeting every day. In this sentence, must shows necessity. We use will, shall, and would to show future actions. Modal auxiliaries will, shall, and would. It denote future actions. Examples. We shall meet our principal tomorrow. In this sentence, shall shows future actions. Next example. The teacher said that she would give us each a chocolate for the right answers. In this sentence, would, this modal auxiliary shows future actions. Now we see will and shall to show our intentions. We use will and shall to show our intentions. Modal auxiliary will and shall shows our intentions. Examples. I shall never tell a lie again. In this sentence, shall shows our intention. I will win this match. In this sentence, will, it shows intentions. To form negative sentences, we add not to the modal auxiliaries. Examples. He could not solve this question. Here in this sentence, could is modal auxiliary and we add not to show negative sentences. Now, negative sentence. Now, we see main verbs. According to the structure, there are two types of main verbs. First is regular and second is irregular. So, verbs that forms their simple past or past participle forms by adding D or ED to the main verbs are called regular verbs. Example, share, shared, care, cared. And what is irregular verbs? Verbs that forms their past or past participle forms by changing their inside vowel or using different words are called irregular verbs. Examples, sit, sat, go, went. So, in this video, we studied about modal auxiliary verbs and main verbs depending on how they forms their simple past and past participle forms. Verbs can be divided into two groups, regular and irregular. The remaining part of this grammar part we will see in the next video. Thanks for watching.